Welcome to all 6th standard students to our subject English grammar. The last class we have already discussed our second chapter subject and predicate section. That explanation part was completed, and today we will do our exercise 1, 2 and 3. Exercise 1, 2 and 3. So please take your textbook, page number 7. The first exercise is there. Our exercise number 1, that is, circle the subject and underline the predicate in the following sentences. An easy task is there. Just circle the subject, read each and every sentences there, and just circle the subject and underline the predicate section. Clear? What is a subject and what is a predicate, that you know. So this work is very easy for you. Just underline the subject, circle the subject and underline the predicate section. So take your pencil also. First you have to do there in the textbook, then you can copy to your notebook also. So exercise 1. The first sentence is, Afzal has bought a wall mounting bookshelf. So in this sentence, what is the subject? Afzal. So Afzal, just circle that one, and the remaining parts are predicate section. Because in this sentence we are talking about Afzal, so that is the subject. And what we are talking about the subject, that is predicate section, the remaining parts. Now second one, the wax polish looks like ice cream. What is the subject there? The wax polish. Just circle that one. Looks like ice cream, that is a predicate section. Third one, did you leave the back door open? So you. So circle you, that is a subject. The remaining parts are predicate section. It's an interrogative sentence. So did question word, that will definitely come in the first. Now fourth one, baking a cake is not easy as eating it. What is the subject? Baking a cake, that is the subject. Just circle that one. The remaining parts are predicate. Underline that. Now fifth one, Kalyan, Namrata and Madhu have decided to learn yoga. So what is the subject? Subject is not a one word. There are 3 nouns are there. Kalyan, Namrata and Madhu. So that is the subject portion. Remaining parts are predicate section. Now sixth one, I found a dead rat inside the wardrobe. I found a dead rat inside the wardrobe. What is the subject? I. So the sixth one is clear. Now we can go for the 7th one. Are all Samuel's brothers sailors? are all Samuel's brothers sailors. So first you need to identify that what type of a sentence is that one. It is an interrogative sentence or a question. So definitely like the third one, here also the question word will come first. Then the subject is Samuel's brothers. Remaining parts are a predicate section. Now the eighth one, the trainer is running around the playground. The trainer is running around the playground. What is the subject? Subject is the trainer. Remaining parts are predicate section. Now the ninth one, that is in your textbook, page number 8. Have you submitted the application form? Have you submitted the application form? Like the same way, the previous examples we have discussed there, it's a question, interrogative sentence. So first question word will come, then the subject. So how, that is also a predicate section. You, that is only the subject. Now 10th one, don't open that box. Here one important matter is there. In the explanation section, we have already discussed that one. In some sentences are hidden subjects are there. Some sentences are hidden subjects are there. For example, if a face-to-face conversation is there with one person to another person. Another example will give you. Just imagine that you are in the classroom. So it is our grammar period. Just imagine that one. You are standing there and I am there in the class. I just ask you to sit down. Which word are you using there? Sit down. But you clearly understood that one to whom I am speaking. But what I said, just sit down. So you can understood that one. That type of sentences are called, or that type of sentences, the subject is hidden subject. So here also subject is a hidden one. Don't open that box. So subject is there, definitely subject is there, but that is a subject is a hidden subject. It's completely predicate section. Now 11th one, will you bring that bouquet to the lecture hall? The same, we have already discussed that one. It's a question. So first question word will come, then the subject, that means you. Circle that one. The remaining parts are predicate section. Now 12th one, stop the players from leaving the ground. That is also same with the 10th one. Hidden subject is there. Stop the players from leaving the ground. So in sentence that is mentioned, it is completely predicate section, but hidden subject is there for that sub sentence. So first exercise is clear. Then we can go for exercise 2. It's a very easy exercise is there. Write your own subjects for the following predicate section. Predicate section is given there. We need to write the subjects, suitable subjects. Your own subjects you can write there. But I have already completed that one. So you can follow that same subjects in your answers. The first one is Dash is an amazing dancer. In the place of a dash or subject place, we can add she. She is an amazing dancer. So she is the subject. Second one, Dash love to go rafting in the river. Any names you can add there. In exercise 2 I just add Meena. Meena love to go rafting in the river. Third one, Dash bought me a watch and a cap. Subject I added here, that is a father. Father is the subject. Dash becomes weak with age. In the place of a subject section I just add man. Man becomes weak with age. Dash are the best engineers we have. Fifth one. So in subject place they are the best engineers we have. Dash start fighting whenever their parents are away. In subject place I just add children. Children start fighting whenever their parents are away. Now seventh one, Dash has booked 3 tickets for the evening show. Mother has booked 3 tickets for the evening show. Now eighth one, last one, Dash will not reach here tomorrow. In that place I just add my friend. My friend will not reach here tomorrow. So exercise 2 is clear. Any subjects you can add there. Here I just draw the examples there. So any subjects, suitable subjects you can add there with this type of sentences. And you can do this sentences, or you can do these activities with the reference of any other sentences, and you can just add any other subjects also for that examples. Now we can go for exercise 3. Before exercise 2 we have just write the subjects, and in exercise 3 we are going to write the predicate for the following subject. Subjects are given there, we need to write predicate for the following. So first one, Nina and I went for a picnic. Predicate section is over. What is the subject? Nina and I. What is the predicate? Went for a picnic. Now second one, some of the onions in this bag are rotten. Some of the onions in this bag, that is the subject. Then the remaining parts, that means are rotten, that is the predicate section. Now just one subject is given there. Birds can fly. Birds can fly. Fourth one, Jennifer. Subject is given there. Jennifer is a dancer. Jennifer is a dancer. Then fifth one, she is a dancer. In the place of a dancer, any word you can add there. Here I just write the example only. She is a singer, or whatever you can, suitable one you can add there. Now sixth one, this island, that is a subject, is very beautiful. In predicate section you can add there, is very beautiful. Now seventh one, an actor, that is a subject, then the predicate section can act nicely. Can act nicely. Now eighth one, those who have scored less than 30, that is the subject section. Predicate section have to write 2 times, that is the predicate section. Here are just examples only. Any predicate section you can add for this subject, that's not a problem there. Any predicates you can add there. So I hope you understood that exercise 1, exercise 2 and exercise 3. These 3 exercises just copy to your notebook.